So English, whatever. So I said Arabs or Arabians. Now, guess Arabians. But oh my god, it's this much size book, also known as 1001 Nights. What is it? Okay, now you guessed it. It's famous. What should I tell to guess? You already know when I say Arabs. It's the Arabian Nights, Arabian Death. You know in the Aladdin? You know it, right? Okay. So first of all, no, I'm not gonna start this. First, I have to tell. Welcome again to Ashis Book Hub. And of course, you know I'm reviewing books, and I've reviewed and introduced sets of books. So subscribe first. Now let's start the video. So as I showed you, this is Arabian Nights. This is also known as 1001 Nights, a very old collection of books. Okay, now you might have think that I'm gonna review this whole book, but no. I came to introduce the books in this set, and of course, tell a little blah blah blah. And of course, you already know that if I go to review this whole book to you, this video will end up about 3 hours. Okay, so let's start. Well, I only took 1 day to read this whole book, but anyway, I can't read by mouth. That's one weak sign of me. I can't read by using my mouth. I can only read using my eyes. And if I go to read using my mouth, if I read this book in, let's say, 1 day, I'll even take 2 days to read it by mouth. Okay, let's start. Speed, you know. Okay, now first, well, there's no sign given, you know. The author, of course, you know already. Well, there's no sign. She lived about, I don't know. Like, so now, I'm gonna tell each of the books here. This book is not the original one. This is captivated, abridged, and written from the original by Sir Richard Francis Burton. Yeah, Sir Francis Burton. Yep. He's written many books. Okay, so now here goes the contents. Let's see. Oh wait, I have to check this. Published by India Publications, BBT Ltd. This is 2003. This is a 2003 edition. No, not the original. I'm mad. This is a 2003 edition. Okay, now let's start with the contents. So it's introduction. I don't want the introduction. Okay, so introduction, and now let's start. We have the story of King Shahryar and his brother. You already know that. No. I'm not gonna review this whole thing. I'll take a video, you know, captivated shorts. You know shorts, right? Indeed, you might have watched shorts. I'm gonna review each of these contents, you know, the stories in this book in those shorts. Okay. Now let's start. The story of King Shahryar and his brother, and then we have the tale of the bull and the ass. Really? There's an animal called an ass? I thought ass was a name that you call someone. Yeah, teasing. Okay, then we have the tale of 3 apples, and Nur al-Din and Zamsel of Anis al-Jalis. And then we have the fox and the crow. Is it the fox and the crow with the teeth? I'm not gonna tell. Okay. Then the poor man and his friends are meet, and Caliph Omar bin al-Khattab and the young Badawi. And oh my god, what differently difficult words are these? Actually, unless I'm reading English, I cannot read any other words fluently. I have to study this whole list about 2 times to get fluent words, you know. Okay, and then we have Sinbad the seaman and Sinbad the landsman. Yeah, I know Sinbad the seaman. I know Sinbad the landsman. Okay, so then we have Junar the sea-born and Badruddin of Persia. Then we have Khalifa the fisherman of Baghdad, and then we have Abukir the dyer and Abusir the barber. And then Ma'aruf the cobbler and his wife. Cobbler means somebody? Yeah, cobbler means the person who makes shoes. Okay. Cobbler. What a weird name. I just get a thought of it now after all these years of knowing the word cock. The sleeper and the waker. Really? Okay. The tale of King Inspinkai's and his daughter with the son of King Al-Abbas. Daughter. We have Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. Oh, the world famous book, Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. I read the book. You know, this is not the first time I read this full Arabian Nights book. This is not the full one. This is the best of Arabian Nights. You already saw that when I showed you the book. And when I was small, about 6 years, I guess, I got, my mom bought me a present for my birthday. The Arabian Nights smaller version with this much size letters. I don't know why. Okay, and Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves, that was the first time I read the book, but I watched the movie even before that. I watched the movie when I was only, when? Yeah, 3 years I guess. Yeah, 3 years. And then we have History of the Lovers of Syria. Really? And then we have Story of Sultan of Al-Yaman and his 3 sons. And the linguist, the duenna, and the king's son. So we have up till volume, we have 16 volumes. Oh my god. The Book of 1,000 Nights and a Night. Yeah. You say 1,000 nights and a night, it's 1,001 nights. Praise to be Allah who is Allah. Oh yeah, I did. Blah 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 blah. Okay. No. Don't think as soon as I open the book and flip the pages that I'm gonna review this to you. How can I? This video will last about, yeah, I told you, 3 hours if I'm gonna review this. And as I told you, shorts, you already know shorts. I'm gonna review each of these stories in this book in shorts. Okay. No, not now. Okay, later. Okay. So that's not. Oh my god! Oh my god. You know, I told you about volumes, right? One volume have 5 books. The Flea and the Mouse. Okay. I'll later introduce all those things. I can't flip through the pages at night. Okay. So here's a clear review of the book again. Okay. And this is Arab, I guess. Yeah. It's a mosque. Okay. So then, hello again and bye again. And of course, before going, watch the book tutorial and all my other videos. Like this video and all my other videos. Click the bell icon. Of course, you can only click the bell icon once. And of course, subscribe. Pitch off pitch.